the very outset, I would like to take this opportunity of congratulating the Polo Towers Hotel for having inaugurated this particular banquet hall and also adding additional rooms to this wonderful resort that we are all in right now.
This only tourism that has thrived, that has grown, that has today reached this point where we're talking in terms of multinational companies, corporate heads having their nice meeting here at Sohra. And that is the growth trajectory that Meghalaya is looking forward to.
And as mentioned by Cyril as well as Paul, that many years back this would have seemed almost impossible. And if we were to ask many people who have not been here for many years, they would never believe that this banquet hall is right here in Cherrapunji in Sohra area and in our state of Meghalaya. So I take this opportunity to congratulate our chairman of Polo Towers Hotel and his entire team for this wonderful investment that has been made and for this overall initiative that has been taken by them